Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and we're gonna make this little packet today. I have just got and sorry about the crinkling. I've just got some white Play-Doh in here. I've got some red and green felt, some little googly eyes, some orange felt, and then just some little pieces of bling, some black bling for the buttons. And then I just went out in the yard and picked up some little sticks for his arms. And then I created this label, and I will share this label with you in a PDF. This just says make your own Play-Doh snowman. This will go in my grandkids' stockings. They love Play-Doh and they love to form different things, so I thought this would be a cute little idea. Now I put staples in mine because my grandkids are older. If you're giving this to small ones, I wouldn't use staples because they might, you know, get them loose, get them in their throat or whatever. I would just use some glue on the top if you're giving this to smaller children. Just a little note there. All right, I'm going to show you how to put these together. They're simple and easy, and it's something quick that you can give. You can even make these and give them out at church or to a kindergarten class, something like that. These are quick and easy. Okay, we're going to cut our felt first, and I just cut some strips. They don't have to be perfect, and they do not have to be any particular width. Just cut them, you know, I think that's about what? A little over 1/2 inch. And you can see mine are not exactly straight, but they don't have to be because they're going to be around the little Play-Doh snowman's neck, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then on the ends, all you're going to do, and I'm going to get my little scissors for this because I end up cutting too far if I don't. On the end, you're just going to cut some little fringe, just like that. And you're going to do that on both ends. So there we go. Do it on the green piece. And I put 2 of everything in there, or like the eyes 4, so that they can, this should be enough that they can make 2 little snowmen. So I've got 2 different scarves there. And then for his nose, I've just got a little orange piece of felt. And I'm just going to cut kind of a little triangle. There you go. There's 2 noses. And then I've got 4 googly eyes right there. And then I've got 6 little black pieces of bling right there. That looks like a little mouth, doesn't it? And then I've got 2 sticks. I need 2 more sticks to put in this one, but we're going to put it together anyway. So that's what I need to put it together with. And then I have one of these bags that we sell. These are the 5 by 5 3/4, I do believe. These are just the right size for this. So we're just going to slide that down in there. And like I said, I hate the crinkling, but turn your volume down is all I can tell you, because there's not much way I can use these bags without the crinkling going on. And then I just fold these in half, stick them down in there, stick them kind of over to the side, just like that. And then I just take this, drop it down in there. So we're going to seal it up, so everything's going to be sealed up good. You can put big googly eyes, small ones. I've just got some kind of big ones here. These snowmen are going to have big eyes. Okay, then I just lay this down. It's got the adhesive already on there, and I fold it over just about like that. There we go. And then here's my label that I printed out. Now you can either tear this and make it look rugged. I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to fool with tearing it. I'm just going to cut it. And I printed this on some cardstock so that it'd be a little bit thicker. Okay. And then I'm just going to fold it right down the center. I'm not going to try to be too perfect. Fold it just like that. There we go. And then I'm going to trim off this little bit right here. Then I'm going to stick mine on right here at the top. Just kind of get it as straight as you can. I kind of hold it down that way and look at it. Doesn't matter again if it's a little bit off. Don't worry about that. And then I'm going to use my tiny attacher to just staple these on there. Like I said, my grandkids are older, so the staples are not going to bother them. But that's it. That is just how quick and easy those come together. And like I said, I will share this in a PDF that will be linked below so that you can print these off and use these for your toppers if you want to. But that's how quick and easy it is. Very, very inexpensive. These pieces of felt are, you know, you can get them, what, 8.5 by 11 for 69 cents or something like that. And then the Play-Doh, you know, I think I found it at Walmart for like, I don't know, the whole pack was like 50 cents or something. But it's very inexpensive, but it's a cute idea for all of those little ones that you have to make and give out to them. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.